I'm Brent Smith. I've been with Kipscott GMC in the finance department for about 5 years now. And what we're going to go through today are 3 different options on ways to purchase your vehicle. First off, you can come in and purchase a vehicle via cash, so just write a check or come in with a bank draft. The other option is a finance purchase option, in which we can deal with the banks for a new vehicle on a reduced interest rate through the major charter banks. Or the other option, your third option, is a lease situation. Leasing is my preferred way because, of course, it gives you, the consumer, and in fact myself, the option to return the vehicle at the end of the 2-year term, 3-year term, or 4-year term. And the nice part is, because of that, you're always driving a brand new vehicle that has warranty coverage on it. At the end of a lease, there's never any negative equity, so you don't have to worry about trading in and trading up and having an excess bill for an equity situation. The other things about leasing that makes things really handy is you've got gap insurance, for example. If the vehicle is written off in an accident, whatever it may be, or stolen, they will cover the cost of a new vehicle for you. After that, convenience. I like the fact of just coming in, getting a brand new vehicle at the end of the lease, and knowing that you're secure and safe in your brand new vehicle every time you upgrade or trade in. Also, with the leasing for the business, when it comes down to the maintenance aspect of it, with most of our product, the maintenance is already included under the 2-year 48,000 kilometer maintenance program. So your lease itself may be fully covered under the maintenance program, but then of course, if you're taking a 3-year lease, you'll be able to write off that maintenance on the vehicle as well. Quite often, leasing works really well when you do have the concern with credit, because we can show a down payment on that, and really $1,000 down on a lease is like you coming up with $2,000 down on a finance situation. So just for convenience for myself, as a consumer, I lease my vehicles just because then I get a brand new vehicle every 2 years. On the other hand, with a finance situation, we've got 3 different banks we deal with the reduced interest rates through GM. We deal with all the major charter banks and finance companies in the industry now. So we've got lots of options to get you approved for the right vehicle you're after. On the other hand, with the finance, we also see consumers that have bruised credit. You know, we deal with a dozen or so companies that assist in rebuilding credit. You know, so they may be asking for proof of income, proof that something is paid out, so on and so forth. But most cases, we're able to help out that consumer as well. So, financing situations, we see many customers that are out there to get the lowest payment available. So a lot of times they're seeing these contracts at 5 years, 6 years, and 7 years, some cases. On the extreme outside, there's even banks that will offer a 96-month or an 8-year to finance. Many times they're not asking for money down in those situations. And it really comes down to convenience as well. The longer the term, the less that payment usually comes in at. And of course, under a finance situation, you've got all the options as well, protecting your investment with insurances like life insurance, disability insurance, as well as warranty to protect that vehicle. If you do have any concerns or questions about the video or about leasing, finance, or a cash purchase, feel free to stop by the dealership. We're always available. In closing, ultimately, thanks for your time, and please feel free to stop by with any questions. Cheers.